Alright, welcome back, Benefix user. So as you can see here, this is your daily Benefix balance. I have different balances here, but this is your daily Benefix. So this is a quick video on how to claim your 1,500 daily Benefix. You understand? So as you can see here, this is our balance, and we'll also come back and check it after claiming our daily benefit. So first thing you need to do is for you to click on this menu, and you click on claim daily benefit claims. Once you click on it, it's very simple. For you to complete this tax, all you need to do is for you to click on this complete tax icon. Okay, so once you click on complete tax icon, okay, the tax, I've performed the tax, you understand? So once you click here, you have automatically performed the tax. So let's go back to our dashboard. Then back to our dashboard. As you can see, our balance have added extra 1,005. If you go to our history, our see it's our task completed successfully, and we have received our 1,500. So it's easy.